See that guy on the bench? Looks familiar.
No, the city contract.
You know this guy?
Thanks.
Not sure.
Do you have a lighter?
Quite masculine. Is it yours?
My husband gave it to me. I don't smoke.
He's got you under his spell, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
It's very hot today.
I didn't notice.
Trust me, it's like a furnace.
Great. We got the weather. Can we move on now?
That guy's up to something. Zoom in.
It's a sunny day.
See that? He's speaking in code. The guards are in on it.
Hey, Rourke! Wait!
He's going for the bank.
Don't walk into that bank, Rourke.
We don't know if that's the guy.
It's like a furnace.
Watch the woman.
I'll send backup. Do not follow.
Yeah, roger that. Danny?
Get out of that bank.
Can I help you, sir?
I repeat, do not break.
You know, I'd like to open a safe deposit box.
Right this way.
It's so hot. It's like a furnace.